On a clear moonless night, and away from the lights of the city, when you look up at the sky, more than 6,000 stars can be seen twinkling overhead. However, these stars you see are not the whole universe, but the tip of the iceberg of the universe is a small part of the Milky Way. Our Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy with 4 distinct spiral arms. Its 4 cantilevers extend outward, forming a disk shape that spans more than 160,000 light-years. Among them, the number of stars exceeds 200 billion. And our Sun is one of the trillions of ordinary stars in the Milky Way. However, although the Milky Way is huge, but in the vast universe, it is still a tiny being. The bright spot you're seeing right now, located in the northeast of the sky, this is an extragalactic galaxy called the Andromeda Galaxy. It's also one of the farthest galaxies we can see with the naked eye. About 2.56 million light-years from Earth. This distance is beyond human imagination. If we go from Earth to Andromeda, so travel at the speed of light at 300 kilometers per second, it will take 2.56 million years to reach. So we can't reach it in our lifetime unless we travel faster than light. At such a fast pace, in the blink of an eye, we're out of the solar system. At this time, the Earth we inhabit is no longer recognizable. Next, it can be seen that the Sun is only one bright spot among trillions. As we continue to fly, gradually, you will see the whole picture of the Milky Way. Now we're at the edge of the galaxy. But the journey to the Andromeda Galaxy has just begun. As we move away from the galaxy, at this point, you will see a lot of bright spots. These luminous spots are scattered in the observable universe, the other galaxies in the universe. But galaxies are not randomly distributed. Instead, they gathered into a small group in gravitational bondage. Our Milky Way is located in a tiny extreme of 50 galaxies, named the local group of galaxies. It's about 10 million light-years across. The Milky Way is one of 3 large galaxies, but it's not the biggest. The largest is the Andromeda Galaxy. Now we start flying at a speed of 1 second and 1 light-year. About 29 days after the flight, we arrived in the Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda is a giant spiral galaxy with a diameter of 200,000 light-years. The number of stars far exceeds that of our galaxy by several times, at least 1 trillion stars. And in its center also hides a supermassive black hole. The mass is equivalent to 140 million suns. Although the Andromeda Galaxy is currently about 2.5 million light-years away, but astronomers have found through observation that Andromeda Galaxy is approaching the Milky Way at a speed of 120 kilometers per second and collide. Because its spectrum is currently blue shifting. This phenomenon is the Doppler effect of light. Redshift means away, blue shift means close. Astronomers calculated from his state of motion. In about 4 billion years, the Andromeda Galaxy will start colliding with the Milky Way. But this kind of collision seems to be devastating. But in fact, during the merger process, stars don't collide with each other, because the average distance between stars is about light years. They'll just cross each other. But in the collision, it compresses the interstellar gas clouds inside the galaxy. So many new stars are born, eventually converging into a new, larger galaxy 7 billion years later. You could call it the fairy galaxy, or galactic fairies. Unfortunately, we humans may never be able to witness this cosmic feast, because billions of years is too long for humans. As a result, it is still unknown whether human beings exist.